What's going on YouTube? Welcome in. Today I got a beautiful build for you. Today we're building what might be one of the smallest little home desktop PCs, a mini Chopin InWin build. If you don't know what a Chopin build is, it is one of the smallest PCs at the size of, well, something you can fit pretty much anywhere in your house and use, whether you're using it for a home workstation, whether you're using it for a home top entertainment system. The Chopin's a really good little budget build. We're starting off with one of the tried and true best budget integrated APUs from AMD. That's a 5700G. That's gonna be going on the little B550 Mini-ITX board coming in from ASRock. That's their Pro Series board. We've got a 1TB Gen 5 drive. I know it's only gonna run at Gen 4 speeds, but the price of the crucial P510 with the DRAM is one of the best values right now for a higher end drive. To round it all off with all the memory we've got going on here, we've got the Corsair 3200 megahertz 32 gig kit, 2x16 sticks of DDR4, and then we'll be cooling it with the AXP90, which is a low slim profile cooler coming in from Thermalright. Awesome little desktop PC. You're like, Stince, could you grab the NUC or a small form factor pre-built PC? Yes, but these run a lot faster, smoother, and more reliable than some of those little PCs. Absolutely killer little build. Let us know what you think down below in the comments. Make sure the like button helps us with the algorithm. Make sure to hit that subscribe button as well if you want to see more beautiful PCs like this. See even these mini PCs end up in your YouTube feed. You want to catch us live, unedited, raw, like it is right now as we record these intros. Join us any Monday, Wednesday, or Friday over our Twitch channel, our Kick channel, our YouTube channel, or even here on Twitter, or X as I call it now. See you guys in the next video. Let's get ready to do it. We're going to look at all the parts. Dedicated power cable. Again, the power supply is built into this one right here. Again, yeah, you can, I think you can only do a, I don't even know if you can even do a GPU on this one. I think you have to use just integrated. Some of the cases have like additional one on the bottom. This is the Mac. I don't think it's the Max. They were the Chopin. I think the Max allows for a single PCIe power or I think it has like one extra DIMM on the bottom, but yeah, small, mini, again, it's a workstation. Nice little ASRock board. This Mini-ITX board is it's awesome for what it is. Get the CPU out, got the pins today. All right. Look at all the pins, open pins, you'd love to see it. Down we go. Say I don't miss CPUs with pins anymore, like the pins on the motherboard. But again, here we are. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Let's take this off. So a whittle PC is a whittle PC indeed. It's literally the whittlest PC in the world. Not the world, it's not the smallest PC in the world. I think we've done a Chopin before I call it Chopin. We've done one before on stream. It's been a while, but we've done it. It's been a while since we've done this cooler. This beautiful little cooler. I mean, look, it even matches the aesthetic of the build. Very Noctu-ish. All right, before we get that, let's actually just get our NVMe drive in. Get a RAM in, then we'll finish the rest of this. Cooler's a little confusing on how it connects on this one, but it's been a while. NVMe down and in, getting crucial P510, 1TB. Screw in, 2 in, there we go. Same 4. Back plate. All right, so they have it going studs. Okay, we have to connect it to a cooler first. Okay. Okay, so get this out. Get the hang of it. Do 1700 on it right now. Get these brackets off. Good, there's one. They're a little more tedious, definitely compact on the hands because you're getting really in there. All right, there's our brackets there for Intel, out of the way. Well, they do come with 1700 brackets, which is nice to see. Not very often you see that anymore. Place. Go. Nice and tight. There we go. So it's gonna go right like so, just like that. Thermal paste. Okay. So now, yeah, we only need these. So it goes in like so, yep. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. The crazy part is the fun part, chat. We gotta flip it over. We're doing a little reverse here. Reverse, reverse. That's the fun part, chat. The fun part. This is the AXP90 from Thermalright. Good shot. Nice and secure. Stince, what are you doing? Oh, I'm doing a little thing. It's a trick. When you have small builds like this, to keep the cables managed really tightly and compact, use the fan that's included as a source of standoffs. So there's our little, keep the cable, we don't have a lot of space to hide cables. There, we just hit a cable. All right, memory. All right, let's drop the RAM in. That one's dim, it's in, down and in. Second dim going in next. It's 3200 megahertz, 32C16, 32 gigs, Corsair. It's LPX of Vengeance. All right, there it is, chat. Motherboard's all assembled, cooler and everything. You can see right there, the back, how she attaches the back plate. There it is. Looking good, chat. Beautiful little setup there. Let's get the case out next, which is not hard to do when it's mini and mighty just like the rest of the build. You have to fit this and all this. There we go. It's all top-down build today, guys. You're like, how do you get all this in that case? Well, it works, trust me. It's just a lot of managing of cables and zip tying of things. Standoffs are all in. Let's get our zip ties and our back plate in. All right, 4 screws here for our motherboard. Now it's time to put this bad boy in. The fun part, chat, the fun part. Because you don't, as you can tell, we don't have a lot of space here. You almost need like a third hand just because it's so many. There we go. Sides in. Top's in place. Bottom is not in place. Slide this over. Let's get screws. There we go. It's in and perfect. We've got USB 3's gonna be right here. Do we have a Type-C on this board? We do not have a Type-C. This case has Type-C, but we do not have Type-C. So that's gonna be hidden there. We have our HD audio over here. Our front panel connections are right yonder. Okay, so it's gonna be our HD audio. Front panel, okay, front panel. The front panel we're gonna hide underneath. Front panel's gonna be right here. Tuck this in. Side, there we go. Next is going to be, so we're not using our Type-C, which is not a big deal. We're going to tuck this over here, down to the side. We don't need it, we'll hide it. There we go. USB 3.0 header, we'll go yonder. We'll move on to the HTPC power next. So 3.0 header going in. We have to put our power in next, which this is going to be PCIe, anything like this. We don't know that, do not need. We need a thicker zip for this. Any extra power outside of their EPS. Wait, is this our EPS? That's our EPS. We'll need that. Shoo. Shoo. It's close. We'll zip the wrong cable there, chat. We're going to zip our SATA out of the way. go. Clip these two. I was gonna have Dom do this. He's like, no, I don't want to do that one. Remember Dom? I was like, Dom, I'm gonna have you do this, your favorite Mini-ITX build. He's like, no, please. It's just time consuming on this one. Because you have to address the cables, hide the cables, run the cables, tuck everything in nice and neatly. It's our EPS, gonna come around the side. Up over here now. It's our HD audio. It's gonna go on the PCI slot. I think it's inevitable. It has to run across the PCI slot down here. But we tuck it in. Okay. It's over here and then sits against the back right here. This is our front panel HD audio. It's very ugly, but it sits like so. Oh, you can. There's a breakout tab here for a PCI slot. There it is, chat. It just hides against the side of the box. And alas, that is our mini cooler. I am going to zip tie one or two of these really quick. Again, this is our little HTP, like home. You can do home theater. You can do home workstation. You could do a lot in something like this. You get a bigger SSD. You could make this a media server, a server. But there it is, chat. That is our little micro PC. And I will, instead of putting the cover on, I want you to be able to see it, but there's a lot of cover, there's a lot of space here. We could have put a higher, like the higher ATX cooler, but it looks really, really clean. I'll give you a front close-up. That mini thing. I'll try and zoom it in too when we boot it up, but there it is, chat. That is the size of a, pretty much almost a large water bottle. Have a great rest of your day. I will see you guys on Monday. I don't know what we're building yet. Hopefully something amazing that you guys love to see, as always. Meantime, hang out with him. Have a great weekend. Have fun. Be safe. Be merry. Have a good and happy holidays. And yeah, we'll see you guys Monday morning, 11 a.m. Eastern, right here. Twitch.tv, kick.com/Stincebuild, YouTube.com/Stincebuild, Twitter.com or X.com/Stincebuild. We'll see you all then. All right, guys. Have a great rest of your day. See you guys over at Hambino Stream. Much love, guys.